Okay. Satish, Satish, can you read this?
Yeah, split valuation means one material can have different prices based on how or from where you got it.
Read below.
Why use it? Because the same material can cost differently depending on where it came from, what's condition and it's in, how it was bought.
Read the example.
Yeah, you have a material called mortar. You buy it from local vendor at 1000 rupees, imported vendor at 2000 rupees. Instead of creating two material codes, SAP lets you use split valuation to manage both under one material number, but with separate prices.
Okay,
Okay.
now understand. Okay, now understand this.
Yeah.
We had a material. Okay, we had a material, and we bought it from local vendors at local vendor. So we will check the prices now for both the POs. Okay, so let's go. Let me just check the prices for it. Yeah, 2227 and 2228. Okay. Mm, ME 23. Okay, 2228 for Sydney. Let me check delivery. Yeah, for Sydney. For Sydney, what was the price? 15 rupees. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for Paris, the price was 60 rupees. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
For Sydney, the price is 15. So let's say Sydney is a local. Sydney is local. We are in Australia. So Sydney, the price is 15 rupees. And from Paris, we
Okay.
are buying it for 60 rupees. Understanding both the
Students.
difference?
Yeah.
It is the same material, but we are buying it from Sydney, which is for 15 rupees, and from Paris, which is for 60 rupees, which is expensive. Okay. Instead of creating two material codes, SAP lets you split valuation to manage both under one material number but with separate prices. So we created two valuation types just to make sure that the valuation is split so that under one material we have two different prices. Understanding now?
Yeah. No, I understand.
Yeah, for the same material, we had two different prices, we had two different GRs, and it was the same stock under the same material. Yes, but with different prices. Sumit, got it, getting it?
Yes, getting.
Yes. So local quantity was there and imported quantity was there. Same material, two different values was there. Split valuation, same material, different valuation prices, separate tracking. Understanding? Getting the point? Why is it useful? Keeps inventory clean, avoids duplicate materials, gives realistic valuation in reports and accounts. Understanding? Got the concept?
Yeah. No, got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. See, Sumit, Satish, Murshid, and Sanjay. It is a bit heavy. Okay, at the start, it is a bit heavy. If you get the concept, see, now that you are able to just understand, Sumit, it is like, how do I explain? Wait, I will ask ChatGPT to give a very layman example. Uh, can you give a analogy to understand for the DEGI and beginners with an example. Let's see what it says. Okay, buying apples from different sources, it is telling me. Now, Sumit, imagine you run a fruit shop. You sell red apples. Okay, Sumit. You get them from a local farmer, cost 100 per box. For an exporter, 150 per box. Okay, but it is still the same apple when you sell it. Getting it? Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now think in SAP terms. Red apple, only one material code, but price is different based on source, local or imported. You know, when you go to the apple wala, he will say this price, this is 60 rupees and this is 100 rupees. He says yes or no. He says this.
Yes.
Okay. But if you don't use split valuation in SAP, you need to create two materials, red apple local, red apple imported. That's confusing and doubles the work. Yes or no? With split valuation, you can say it's the same apple, but I'll track it value separately based on where I got it from. So in SAP, local quantity 100 rupees, imported 5, 150 rupees. What this analogy teaches, apple is the material, local imported valuation types. price per source, split valuation, same product, one material code. Summary. Split valuation is like tagging the same item with a different price label depending on where you got it from, but you still keep one product name. Got the concept?
Got the concept, but now I'm having one question.
Yeah.
Suppose we are taking example for motor,
Okay.
and we are in a EV manufacturing company,
Okay.
manufacturing electric scooter. Okay,
Okay.
and we are procuring motor from local vendor. It is costing 1,000 rupees,
Okay.
and another we are procuring from foreign country that is costing 2,000 rupees.
Okay.
So, as a whole, if we are using the local vendor motor
Uh-huh.
in our final product,
Uh-huh.
then the cost will be lowered. And if we are using the foreign or export material in our product, the cost will be higher. The
Correct.
BOM cost will be higher.
Correct.
So how it will be managed?
Okay. Buy, see, it is the, see, when you go to buy an apple, whether it is 60 rupees or 100 rupees, you decide which
Hmm.
apple, right? Whether you want to eat the local apple or whether you want to eat the Kashmiri apple, correct? You decide which to buy. Yes. So that everything we have,
But that is the two material, na?
yes, but in SAP, see, for example, let's say, uh, see, you buy an I. You, see there, you know this car thing, right? When you buy some car in
Yeah.
it, it is for 1 crore rupees. But if you buy it in Dubai, it is only 60 lakhs. I saw a reel that it is the same car. But if you buy it in Dubai, it is 60 lakhs. But if you buy it in India, so all the taxes it comes to 1 crore. So the thing is, it is the same material, but the cost is different because it is one is sourced. I don't know. One country does not have tax and one other has taxes. That is why. So two different POs, two different GRs. For same motor, it is the same motor only. It will not be a different motor. Understand that, Sumit. It is the same motor, whether it is
Yeah,
locally.
it is the same motor. Specifications are same,
Correct.
but the cost is different.
Correct. Why is the cost different? Because the cost is different because there would be more taxes there, or is it is expensive to
Yes.
make something like that? It would be. That is why.
Yeah, that is okay. But my final product is the same. And as a final customer,
Yeah.
I'm going to buy buy the car or scooter in which the motor is used.
Correct.
But the cost is same for both the types of product. Then how the BOM cost by the company will be decided finally?
No, which cost will be decided by the company? Say it again.
BOM cost, bill of material cost.
Okay, bill of material cost. See, that is up to the.
Because
Hmm. Yes, yes, tell me.
because there are two different costing. The product is one. I'm using the same motor. One electric scooter is having the local vendor motor, and other is having the imported motor.
Wait,
But
one.
as a whole,
Let me.
when I am selling, when the company is selling the electric scooter, the cost will be the same, final cost.
Wait. One electric motor has local. No, one electric. Wait, we'll put it here. One electric vehicle has local motor with local cost, and one with foreign.
Exported.
Correct, one with foreign cost.
Yeah.
So, how will the. So, yeah, tell me a question.
So how will the final BOM cost will be decided?
How will be the final BOM cost will be decided for the company, correct?
Yes.
Let's see what it says. Correct? This part is clear until here.
No, that is clear.
Yes.
But
How SAP
I
calculates
would like to ask
final.
when the final cost is different.
Yes, yes.
So I am having the different product.
See, it is giving three possibilities. Valuation type is fixed in the production order. If the production order for EV specifies local motor, SAP uses local motor cost 50,000, BOM total cost includes 50,000. If it is using imported motor, SAP uses imported motor cost 80,000. This gives you a dynamic and accurate vehicle cost based on what was actually used. Mixed costing is configured. If your company produces EVs using both motors, you can use mixed costing. 70% of EVs uses local motor and 30% uses imported motor. So SAP calculates motor cost based on this. So final EV cost would be 59,000. It could be mixed also or separate also. Or there is one more option it is giving standard costing. If no specific motor is assigned, SAP uses a default valuation type, example local or whichever has stock, and picks its cost during the cost estimate run. Final cost of the EV will reflect the price of the default valuation type. The final BOM cost of the EV depends on which version valuation type of the motor is selected during production or costing.
Means I am having two types of product, na?
Correct. Correct.
Then why is the need for creating split valuation when I am having two types of product? So I should take different part number for these two types of costings, because the BOM cost is different, the product is different. The customer will buy if
No, no,
customer is going to pay the higher cost.
Yes, what happened? See, it is the same thing. For example, from what I am able to understand, okay, in all these years, from what I am able to understand is that if the split valuation, why is split valuation used? Because it is the same product. It is the same product. It is procured from a different country. That is why the cost is
No,
high.
no, not an issue. Not an issue. But finally, if I am the final customer and I'm going to buy electric vehicle,
Huh?
I'm having two types of version. One is having the 50,000 cost and another is having 80,000 cost. So there are two types of product.
Then you are saying that why should I buy 80,000? Why can't I buy 50,000? Correct. That's what you're saying,
No,
right?
I can buy 80,000 also. But what is the need for the split valuation now? And I think there should be two parts course for both the motors.
Okay. Why is there need for split valuation if they are two different motors made in two different countries with two different prices? Yes.
Yes.
Let's see what we get. If one motor is in India and one is from Germany, they both have the same specification, fit in the same vehicle, are used in the same process. Creating two material codes would duplicate master data, confuse users which code to use, require maintaining BOMs, POs, stock, pricing, MRP separately for both. Split valuation keeps one material with clean differentiation in value and origin. Getting it now?
Getting it, but my question is my question is same. अगर हम ये इसमें रख रहे हैं, then there will be error in the BOM cost, because if I am using the different part code, then the final FG part code will be different
Okay.
from the manufacturing point of view.
Okay.
Uh, I am using two different part codes and I am having two different FG codes.
Okay. No, no, no.
Suppose one.
No, no, no. Sumit, if you use a material from Paris, yes, if you use
Hmm,
from Paris, the cost is different. But if you use it from Sydney, the cost is different. So the cost is adjusted then. It is the material is the same, but the cost is adjusted. It is two different
no,
costs.
no, no. Suppose I am having one stock keeping unit SKU code.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, listening.
For my electric scooter, what I am going to manufacture, I am having one SKU code.
Okay.
and for SKU code, I am having a BOM, bill of material for that.
Okay.
In that bill of material, I am having the same motor.
Correct.
Suppose motor code is X
Okay.
and my SKU code is AB. So I am going to use X in AB.
Okay.
But how it will be decided what type of X I have to use? Because if I am having two types of motor code X and Y and two types of FG code AB and CD,
Okay.
and I know in AB I have to use X and in CD I have to use Y.
Okay.
So it is easy to calculate the BOM cost and to calculate the final price
Correct.
from starting of the manufacturing to final sale of the product,
Correct.
because there will be cost difference.
Correct. So that is
So
why,
that's why
yes, yes, that is
I'm asking that.
that is why I'm able to understand you. See, that is why we created one Paris and one Sydney. So one, let's say one product is from Paris, one product is from Sydney. Okay. Paris has its own cost, which is let's say 15.
But product is X only.
Product is X only. Yes. But the prices are different, right? The prices is different in Paris, price is different in Sydney. Product is X only.
Now, now you see, you are having one SKU code only, AB,
Uh,
and in AB sometimes we are using X and sometimes we are using Y.
No, no, no. We are using only one product. No.
Yeah, but the cost is different, na?
The cost is different.
Yeah, cost is different. But one SKU code or the one final product, how the cost will be vary?
It will.
AB is the product. My final product is AB. Sometimes it is costing 50,000 rupees and sometimes it is costing 80,000.
Correct.
So, so how it will be finalized that sometimes, suppose I am using this month, in the month of June, I am using only 50,000 or 1,000 cost motor,
Okay.
but on the next month, I'm going to use the imported motor.
Got it. Got it. See,
Now the cost is higher.
got it. Got it.
You see,
So the answer is, see, for example, it is the same material. Let's say it is the same material. One is imported and one is locally sourced. Okay. Sometimes the local
hmm,
stock is not available. So we get it from other countries. Sometimes the foreign motors are available. We don't have the local ones. So we sell the foreign ones. So sometimes we have
yeah,
both
no issue.
both of them available. So it will depend on the customer. Let's say customer wants to buy, let's say from Sydney, so let him buy the Sydney one, he will pay more for that. Or the customer wants to buy the Paris one, let him pay for that. But if we don't have Sydney one, then he will take the Paris one, and if we don't have the Paris one, he will take the Sydney one. The prices will vary according to what he buys.
No, you see, if in the month of June, the final cost is 50,000, and in the month of July, the cost is suddenly high, 80,000, then the sale of the company will be lowered.
No, no, it does not depend on the. It does not depend on the. See, for these materials, it does not depend on the month. It depends on the. Let's say you want.
No, I am taking example.
Okay, okay, got it. So
Means I have decided to use the local motor in this month because I am having the stock for that. But on the next month, I am having projection for the imported motor only.
correct. See, when we buy the car, no, let's say let's say we buy car A. It has different versions. Car A with 10 lakhs, it costs 15 lakhs with some advanced features and something like that, and sometimes 18 lakhs is the top model. So it is like that. What customer wants to buy, it is the same car.
Yes, but in that case, na BOM is different.
BOM is different, correct?
So part code is different.
No, no, no. The path,
Yes.
you mean the material code.
Yeah, material code is different in that case.
No, no, no. See, the BOM when it is created, right? The BOM when it is created in Sydney, it is the responsibility of the company from Sydney. When the BOM is created in Paris, it is the responsibility of the company in Paris. So it is their responsibility to create the BOM. Now let's say in India we are taking both the products. One is from Paris, one is from Sydney. We create a different material code for both of them and give it the same material code. The cost is incurred by the Paris company or the Sydney company, whatever is for the BOM. The BOM is different for both of them. And when we, let's say we are selling it now, then the customer will pay accordingly, and then we have to pay them accordingly. That is what it is. It is for the whole material. BOM is different priced for different companies at different locations, but when it comes to us, it comes as a material as a whole. So we are giving the material code to that material as an entirety, not in separate ways, like from the BOM perspective. We are giving it the whole material, what do we say? Whole material, what do we say? In its entirety, we are giving it the material code.
No, I'm discussing the practical scenario because in the last my EV company,
Yeah.
we were having two types of motor.
Okay.
That's I take the example of motor only. One motor was locally purchased in India, and one was from the China.
Okay. Okay. What we'll
So
do? What we'll do?
in that case,
Yes, yes.
hmm,
What we'll do? See, I will take this example and I will try to find better answer for it for you. Okay. We will take that. I have one more class.
we
Okay.
yeah, yeah, no,
Okay.
we just created two part course. I'm just saying that.
Okay. Okay. You are saying that let's keep two materials and let's finish it off. Why to create split valuation, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, wait. I will go into this into a bit more detail at a practical level where we use a motor at the manufacturing level or the BOM level, and we will try to find a better answer for this. Okay, I will like yesterday I solved the
Yeah.
this also I will solve it for you. Okay, don't worry. I
Okay.
I have
Okay.
I have one more class right now. Let me finish that. The students are waiting there. Okay, so I will figure
Okay.
an answer for that, and I will write you on WhatsApp. Okay, and then you can tell me more about the scenario which happened in your company, and I will also try to find a better answer for it. Or if there is split valuation, or maybe if there is something else in SAP
Hmm.
system, you can work on that also. Okay,
Okay.
okay, all right, all right. Okay, but
Okay. Thank you.
yeah, so the basic concept is clear, right? Split valuation. We'll go into this detail.
Yeah. Basic concept is clear.
Yes, so in detail we will go, and I will try to find the answer for your motor example. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.